Sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A part 21. Last part completed in bond letter 2 marks, sometimes coming to the 4 marks problems. Today discuss once again in bonded 4 marks problem in component angles. What is that problem? If 0 less than a less than b less than pi by 4, here 0 less than a less than b less than pi by 4, and sine of a plus b value is given 24 by 25, and cos of a minus b also be given 4 by 5. Then find the value of tan to a. Then find the value of tan to a. First of all, we have to take this interval. You can take 0 less than a less than pi by 4 is the one interval. 0 less than a less than pi by 4. A lies between 0 to pi by 4 one interval, and a lies between 0 to pi by 4 one interval. B lies between 0 to pi by 4 another interval. These two are two intervals right in the form of in this condition. After that, in this condition, a value is less than b. A value is less than b. Here, what is the a minus b value? A minus b value also be less than 0. Less than 0 having which angle? Negative angle. A minus b having negative, that is which quadrant? Suppose this one is a plus symbol, this is a positive first quadrant. Here suppose this value is negative, what is the first quadrant? Q4. That's why a minus b lies on fourth coordinate. A minus b lies on a fourth quadrant. Similarly, here adding these two, 0 plus 0, 0, a plus b, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 nothing but pi by 2. Here pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. 0 to 90, a plus b lies on 0 to 90. 0 to 90, that is which quadrant? First quadrant. That's why a plus b belongs to first quadrant, and a minus b belongs to fourth quadrant. These two values you can use this condition. You can find a plus b and a minus b both are which coordinate completed. After that, sine of a plus b is given, cos of a minus b is given. You can find tan a. You can write the tan 2a. Tan 2a can be written as tan of a plus b plus a minus b. Correct or not, student? Check first of all. Tan of here b minus b get cancelled, a plus a 2a. Okay, students. Here suppose you have to take this is a, this one is b. Tan a plus b form. Why? Because you can write the tan 2a in the form of a plus b, a minus b terms. Why? Because you can write, first see the question. Here question angle in terms of a plus b and a minus b. That's why 2a also be written in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Here you can write tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b plus tan a minus b. This total is a, this one is b. 1 minus tan a plus b into tan a minus b. You can find by using sin a plus b, you can find tan a plus b. By using cos a minus b, you can find tan a minus b. First, you can write sin a plus b. Sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to 24 by 25. Nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. First, you can write Pythagoras right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, this is a plus b. Opposite is 25. Hypotenuse is 25. Hypotenuse square equal to 625. 25 square nothing but 625 equal to 24 square. 24 square right 576. Plus we can write BC square. After that, BC square equal to 625 minus 576. 625 minus 576 how much? 625 minus 576 49. Then BC value is 7. BC is what here? 7. You can find which value? Tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b you can find before find the tan of a plus b. A plus b lies on which quadrant? A plus b lies on first quadrant. First quadrant tan is positive. plus opposite by adjacent. Tan formula. What is the formula of opposite? Opposite is 24 by adjacent is 7. This is the value of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is completed. Similarly, you have to take cos. Cos of A minus B is equal to 4 by 5. Here, cos nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. One second you can write Pythagoras theorem. This is A minus B. Here adjacent value is 4, hypotenuse is 5, 5 square nothing but 55 equal to 4 square nothing but 16, AB square. AB square equal to 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 how much? 9. AB square equal to 9, then AB equal to 3. AB equal to what here? 3. After that you can find tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B is equal to, here A minus B lies on which quadrant? A minus B lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant tan is negative. What is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. What is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. What is the value of opposite? Minus 3 by adjacent is 4. This is the value of tan A minus B. These two values are substituted in this problem. You get what? Tan 2A. What is the value of tan A plus B? 24 by 7 plus tan A minus B minus 3 by 4 all by 1 minus tan A plus B. 24 by 7 minus 3 by 4 is the tan A minus B. After that you can write 24 by 7 minus 3 by 4 all by minus into minus 1 plus 24 into 24 by 7 into 3 by 4. Once again expenses plus into minus 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 into minus plus. After that you have to take LCM. Here 7 4 28 is the LCM. 4 into 24 96 minus 7 into 3 7 3s are 21 all by 1 plus 24 3s are 72 by 7 4s are 28. After that we have to take 28. 96 minus 21 how much? 96 minus 21 is 75 all by we have to take LCM. 28 is LCM. 28 plus 72. 28 plus 72. After that 75 by 28 get cancelled. 75 by 28 plus 72 how much? 28 plus 72 how much? Nothing but 100. 100. You can cancel this one. 25 3s are 25 4s are. You get 3 by 4. 3 by 4 tan 2A value is 3 by 4. This is a very important repeated 4 marks problem in IP examination. Sometimes this model problems come into the MCET point of view. Today assignment or homework problem is first problem. If A plus B comma A are acute angles such that sine of A plus B equal to 24 by 25 and tan A equal to 3 by 4, then find the value of cos B. Here A plus B comma A are acute. Acute nothing but the angle between 0 to 90 are less than 90 degrees. Here A plus B lies on first quadrant and A also B lies on first quadrant. Here A plus B comma A both having which quadrant? First quadrant. Here sine of A plus B is given, tan A is given. You can find cos B. Cos B can be written as cos of A plus B minus A. Correct or not, friends? Plus A minus A both are cancelled. You get cos B. Here this is A, this is B. Cos A minus B formula what? Cos A minus B formula. Cos A, cos B. A value is A plus B. B value is A. Plus sin A, sin of A plus B into sin B, sin A. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can find first of all, use sin A plus B, you can find cos A plus B. Already sin A plus B value is there. Use tan A, you can find sin A and cos A by using previous problem model, right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. This is the first problem. In this problem, A plus B comma A both having first quadrant. That's why any trigonometric function always positive. Here some hint is given. You can do that remaining problem. Second one. Cos alpha equal to minus 3 by 5 and sin beta equal to 7 by 25. Here pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi. Pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, nothing but alpha belongs to which quadrant? Pi by 2 means 90. Pi means 180. 90 to 180 between, that is second quadrant. Alpha lies on second quadrant. Next beta lies on 0 to 90. 0 to 90 nothing but beta lies on first quadrant. Then find the tan of alpha plus beta. Tan of alpha plus beta formula is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. This one is the formula of tan alpha plus beta. What is the sin of alpha plus beta? Sin of alpha plus beta value is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. This is the formula of sin of alpha plus beta. Here alpha which quadrant? Second. Beta first quadrant. You can find using cos alpha. You can use cos alpha. You can find tan alpha and sin alpha. Cos alpha is already there. Similarly, you can use sin beta. You get tan beta and cos beta and sin beta. Okay.